In this video, we will talk about one of the most important topics, or even the most confusing topics for some, of German grammar, the cases. For those who don't know what cases are, a case tells you what role a noun or a pronoun plays in the sentence. Is it a subject, a direct object, or an indirect object? Luckily, there are only 4 cases in German: nominativ, the nominative case; accusativ, the accusative case; dativ, the dative case; and genitiv, the genitive case. If all of this sounds too confusing right now, don't worry. We will look at them one at a time so that you can easily process all of this information. We will begin with the nominativ. Los geht's. Also, was ist nominativ? What's nominative? Grammatically, it is the subject of a sentence. So, a sentence is always about the nominativ. Zum Beispiel, das Kleid ist teuer. You see how the sentence is about the dress, das Kleid? It's describing the subject, the nominativ, yeah? So you need to ask the question, what or who is the sentence about? Now, if it's a non-living thing, you ask the question, was. What is the sentence about? If it's a living thing, you ask the question, where. Who is the sentence about? Let's look at examples for both of them. Das Sofa ist altmodisch. Was ist altmodisch? Super, das Sofa. Die Frau kommt aus Deutschland. Also, wer kommt aus Deutschland? Richtig, die Frau. Another feature of the nominative is that it's the one who does the action. If you look at this sentence, die Assistentin schreibt E-Mails. We know schreibt is the verb. Die Assistentin is the nominative because she's the one doing the action. Sie schreibt E-Mails, yeah? So you need to ask the question, where? Who is the one doing the action? Or was. What is doing the action? Let's look at examples for both of them. Der Mann spielt Klavier. Wer spielt Klavier? Richtig, der Mann. Der Wecker klingelt. Was klingelt? Richtig, der Wecker. Now that we understand the nominative, we'll now look at its articles. The 2 basic categories of articles are bestimmte Artikel, which is equivalent to the, and unbestimmte Artikel, which is equivalent to a or an in English. We'll first look at bestimmte Artikel. They are der, die, das, die. Der for masculine nouns, die for feminine nouns, das for neutral nouns, and die for plural nouns. Once again, der, die, das, die. Unbestimmte Artikel are ein, eine, ein. Ein for masculine nouns, eine for feminine nouns, ein for neutral nouns. Once again, ein, eine, ein. Now, I want you to pause this video and memorize the articles, because if you don't, then trust me, you will get super confused when we move forward with other cases. So take as long as you need, and then we'll practice using them. Let's practice. What you have to do is to choose the correct article. Here is the first question. Richtig, der Hund heult. The next one is richtig, ein Motorrad kostet 15.000 Euro. And the last one is richtig. Die Frauen sind Geschwister.